If you're wanting the benefits of this guy but don't have a juicer, let me show you the blender method, coming right up. Hey, it's Dr. Livingood and we're talking celery juice today. If you're wanting the powerful benefits of celery and celery, specifically juicing it, and you don't have a juicer, I got the solution for you. This little guy right here has been shown to decrease blood pressure levels. It contains magnesium, it contains potassium, it has phytochemicals in it that lower your blood pressure several points. It's also very helpful for acid reflux, any kind of hydrochloric acid issues in the stomach. Because of the salts contained in it, it calms the system. It decreases bloating, it supports the nervous system. It's a little superfood that's been right in front of us all along, and typically all we did was smear peanut butter on it and put raisins on top. Well, now you can juice it, but if you don't have a juicer, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to blend it and strain it today to still get the powers of the juice. Why juice it? Why not just eat it? Well, you can eat it, it's gonna have benefits, but juicing it releases those phytochemicals so that your body can utilize them and absorb them a lot quicker. So the benefits of it, I've seen many times in patients using this to lower blood pressure levels, some of them too low, so you gotta watch that, as well as really helping with the constipation, bloating side of things. It will help out too. So let's do this. All you're gonna do is take the celery, we're gonna put it in the blender, I'm gonna add some water to it. If you wanna increase the flavor, I would recommend using the greens because it has 54 nutrients in it, a bunch of servings of vegetables, and it tastes incredible if you don't like the taste of celery juice but still want to get the benefits. But let's just start by blending it first. So what we're going to do, obviously just any kind of blender, some kind of like Ninja, Vitamix, whatever it is, you want a little bit more high powered. If you don't have as high powered, then you probably want to use a little bit more water. And I know we might be watering down the celery just a little bit, but the benefits of it will still be there, that you're still extracting out of it, and it's the way that you can juice it without actually having a juicer, okay? So I'm gonna shove this in here, and if I need some more water, I'm gonna put some more in, kind of depending on the size of the stock. This is a smaller one, then you can add more or less water to it. So here we go. Oh, I love a good blender. Just pulverize that celery juice. So the more water you add, the easier that's gonna go. Now, you could just drink that straight up if you wanted to. What I'm gonna show you potentially how to do is we just pour it in a separate glass. Now we got our celery juice. That's gonna be just kind of thick to drink, all right? So really quick, easy way that you can handle that is just have your, the pitcher from the blender, okay, there, and then we're just gonna strain it. And I use a little bit of water to do this because not all of it comes through, but just right on the top, we're just gonna put it right back into there, and we're gonna strain out some of that pulp. You're still gonna end up with a little bit of pulp in the actual celery juice itself because you definitely did blend it quite a bit. So you're gonna know that you're gonna have some of that happening, but this will strain out some of the potential pulp from it. And I put a little extra water on the top. There we go. So now we got all the extra sitting in there. I'm gonna slide that aside and I'm going to grab my glass so I can enjoy my breakfast. Do this in the morning time and I keep it cool. I put it on ice oftentimes. If you make it the night before, you definitely want to keep it in the fridge and keep it cool. And there's a little bit of pulp in there, but it's much more of a juice consistency now, kind of like orange juice. Still has a good celery flavor to it. If you do not like the taste, can't stand it, can't stomach it down, add the greens powder to it. It's fantastic. Just mix it in. Yeah, you could give up the natural consistency of celery juice, and some say that's a no-no, but I would rather you get the nutrients in, and if that's the way you can do it, go for it. Plus, you're getting a bunch of extra superfoods in. There you go. That's your alternative to juicing celery. If you don't have a juicer, use a blender, use a little straining, add a little water to it, water it down a touch, flavor it with greens if you need to. Bottoms up, everybody. Check out the videos next to me. They're exactly what you need as next steps to experience real health. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the Dr. Livingood community as we all get healthy together. I also give free guides, free links and resources, links to our web classes, a lot of resources to help guide you along this journey to help you experience real health. See you again soon.